Alright guys, we're on the 4th box of Donruss Americana Series 2. Sick hits before. I don't know if you watched my last video or not, but this Houston Alexander here, it looks like it might be an Affliction shirt or something like that. That's the company I was looking for. Are you serious?
Yeah.
More thin ones? Wow. This is insane. We're just getting insane luck on these guys. It's crazy.
They're just making up for all the boxes I've bought. I'm obsessed with Americanas, guys.
Base.
He likes football. I like Americanas.
Is that one open already?
It was just easy to open.
That guy almost looks like Corey Haim.
You saying he's gay?
No, I'm just saying he looks like Corey Haim. Base. Yeah, we pretty much opened these for the Ring Kings, so we're really happy with the pulls we've got so far.
I opened them for the Bachelor. Sorry. These are opening really easy. It's kind of scary. These.
Bing Crosby.
Nice. He's a
high number.
That one's thick.
Is it? Another Jackie Chan.
I got an extra number 1 if anyone needs it for the set.
Base.
Well, I didn't get 1 proof.
Oh well.
Normally the packs look really nice. Look really thick.
It's another fucking
auto.
What?
The Hitman.
Martin Campman. I've heard of him. Looks like another.
It looks like his underwear.
Looks like another underwear auto. We'll see. We got that one, and then we got Frankie Edgar's underwear too. But
what's this one numbered to?
We'll just call it a jersey.
500.
500. That's pretty weak. Oh well. Still another Ring King auto. Sick. Later. One more.